The Promise House is an organization we built on campus. It just helps students. Students that need food or may not be able to reach out and get extra food because of money circumstances or just their class schedule, I can come in and we provide them with meals, weekly grocery shops, and it's all free. It all started off with just a meeting. We were all sitting there, and there wasn't anything that was gonna be started, it was just an idea. So having this group of students, including myself, just put in input and just being able to see that this was taken from that point and everything we said was implemented, I think it kind of just shows that Otterbein listens to you. Whatever you have that you can offer to this university, they're willing to listen and make it happen. So I think it was very powerful for me to show how important this school is and how they actually listen to their students.
Our students, when they travel the world, they're not just eco-tourists. They're there to make a difference wherever they go. We've had students who have rebuilt orphanages, students who have provided literacy programs for kids all over the world. We've had students that look at water quality in different areas.
I had an incredible opportunity to be able to go over to Malawi. We were able to bring medical supplies over from the United States that they normally wouldn't have access to locally. And then in exchange, they were educating us about global health disparities and about the work that they do at Nakoma Hospital. My trip to Malawi was life-changing.